everyone, welcome back. Today we have a tool haul for you. This is all the Kobalt stuff I picked up in the last month or so, and we're going to save the other non-Kobalt items for another video, as I'm sure this one's going to be lengthy enough as it is. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not sponsored or get a special discount or in any way. I bought all these tools with my own money, tried to get a deal where I could. I'm going to let you know what I paid for them and let you know if they're still on sale. All right, to start off with, I picked up 2 of these Kobalt sawhorses. They fold up nice and they have little slots on the ends for you to put 2x4s in. And we're going to use them as a temporary miter saw slash workstation, a workbench, using this plywood and a couple 2x4s for now. And they are $30 each or $60 for the pair on sale right now. And then for the workshop, we got a set of chisels. I paid $20 for this set, which comes with a 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. They seem pretty nice. I'm looking forward to using them. And then for an extra $9, I picked up the 1/4 inch as well. And then I also picked up this 15-piece drill and drive set, which is a countersink drill and drive set, and you can get that for $18 regular price every day. And then I picked up this drill and drive set, 43-piece. This is a replace and impact set that I already have, but I've used it so much it's wearing out, and this has a lot of my most used pieces with the impact, and you can get that on sale right now for $12. I picked up 2 of these pilot hole drill bits. Kobalt only makes them in 2 sizes, the 5/64 and the 7/64. These are great for attaching hinges so that you can find the exact center to screw your screws into. These are $6 each, everyday price. And then I picked up a pack of these scissors. I love these scissors. I've already got another set, and my wife likes to use them as well, so I picked up a set for out here, and then I'll have a set for in the house. And you can get these on sale right now for $5 for the pair. And then I got some projects coming up where with glass, I'm going to try to try a couple things with glass, and we'll see how they turn out. But I picked up this Kobalt glass cutter, and then I picked up these 4 glass and tile drill bits for drilling holes. So we're going to see how that all works in the future. And then if you've seen my other videos, you know I also picked up in the big tool haul, I got the Kobalt table saw, miter saw, Quiet Tech air compressor, a air hose reel. I got that on sale. Those were all on sale, and unfortunately the hose reel is no longer on sale. I think I got it for $60 or $70, and it's $100. And then I got the router, Kobalt router and router table. But for the air hose and air hose reel, I bought this hose. I got it on sale for $30, and it's still on sale right now. And that's just to run up through the wall to attach to the hose reel, so that I can access my tools from anywhere in the shop. And then I got this 18-piece set that comes with some tire chucks and a couple of air chucks, and then the connectors that I needed for the new hoses. And this is on sale right now for $18. And then I picked up this new adjustable wrench. I have the other one, and sometimes these things are gimmicky, but I wanted to try this one out, giving Kobalt the benefit of the doubt. This one has some adjustable teeth right there, so that whenever you are spinning this wrench, it actually catches. So, you know, I commonly refer to these as universal strippers because they don't always fit tight and they're always slipping off. So hopefully with these teeth on here, they'll grip a little better, and we'll find out. And this is on sale right now for $20. Kind of pricey for one wrench, but I thought I'd give it a shot. And then I got a couple of strap wrenches. These are not on sale right now. They're just $18 for the pair, which I didn't think was bad. But I do some DIY, do our own plumbing and stuff. So I needed a good set. And then I needed some new channel locks. And I didn't have any big channel locks. And I seen these. And this pair is $10 on sale right now. And I couldn't pass that up. So I went ahead and picked those up. And then moving on with wrenches. I needed a good set of wrenches. So I got this Ratcheting Wrench set, SAE and metric set, 20-piece set. It's on sale right now for $50. And then my last wrench I bought is this Torx Bit Set, SAE metric, 23-piece set. It's on sale right now for $12, and it comes with this handle which can be attached to these wrenches in various ways, which I thought was really neat, and you'll be able to get a little bit more torque on the wrench itself. So then I picked up their 24-volt Jigsaw, and with a 4 amp hour battery. I didn't actually get this one from Lowe's. This is not on sale right now. I believe it's $119 just for the tool. And if you get the 4 amp hour battery, tool, and charger, that'll run you closer to $160. And I think I picked this up from an external site, lightly used, at a far better deal. But I did pick up the 24-volt brushless Orbital Sander with adjustable speed control. It is currently on sale for $70, and I'm looking forward to using that here shortly. I picked up this little flush cut saw for $11. It's not on sale, but I think it's neat because pretty much anything with a hole in it, like this little hacksaw blade or this sawzall blade, which it also comes with, will fit inside this. So I'm kind of looking forward to seeing how that works, and I think it'll be a nice little handy tool to have laying around. And then for $9 I got this little hacksaw right here, which looks like it'll be useful. And then I needed some hammers with a flush face, get away from the rough face, one I'm always beating everything up. And they have this framing hammer on sale, 20 ounce, for $11. And it comes with these 3 punches, which is just a great deal. I mean, for the hammer alone, and then you get the free punches. And then for $5, they have this regular 16 ounce hammer. And that comes with these 3 punches for $5. And those are both still on sale right now. You can catch those. And then I went ahead and picked up this back saw for $13. It wasn't on sale, but I needed a back saw, so I went ahead and picked this one up. And then lastly, I picked up 2 of these roller stands, adjustable roller stands. They are $20 a piece. They're not on sale. That's their everyday price. But I needed them. I'm going to use these as a temporary in-feed and out-feed table for the table saw, and they'll help when I get a planer and stuff, help adjust to keep from snipe and things like that. So that covers all the Kobalt tools that I picked up. I'm going to take some time to put links for all these tools in the description in case you're interested in any of them. They're not affiliate links or anything, so you're not going to hurt my feelings if you just search it through Google or whatever you choose to do. But they're there if you need them. Well, that's going to be it for tonight for our Kobalt tool haul. And if you've got any questions or comments, just drop them down below in the comment section, or follow us on over to our Facebook page and chat with me there. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.